Hi, good day. M6034. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Anita Estrabela de Lantar. I'm married and 3 kids and Catholic, and asking to my work experience to Taiwan, and 5 member and 2 months baby and 2 years old and 3 years old family,
Okay.
and another employer may care to old men 75 years old and paralyzed, and another 3 employer and 87 years old woman, and
This is bedridden, right?
yes, I'm bedridden, and all marketing, cleaning, all around. I'm and 3 dogs and 2 cats.
Okay, you are taking care of the 3 dogs and 2 cats. And all the other household chores you do, right?
Yes.
By the way, how old are you?
I'm 52 years old.
Your religion?
Religion is Catholic.
Okay, the ages of your children.
My 3 children and 35, 33, and 15 years old.
Okay. Since I saw that you have an experience taking care of a 2 months old baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Number one is clean my hands, all, all, all clean.
Okay.
And because my baby is cleaning,
Okay,
I
so
look at the diaper.
okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a
Yes,
newborn.
my
Okay.
bottle is cleaning.
Okay. And if the baby is crying, what will you do?
But crying to baby, you look at the temperature and stomach and diaper.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do everything, what will you
I
do?
the best my call to my employer to my baby.
Okay. And what will you say to the baby to the employer?
I said to my baby is not stop crying.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
My Hong Kong is the beautiful country. I like.
So you want to work in Hong Kong because of
Yes.
its beautiful country.
Yes.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Maybe but my employer to accept me to work into long. I accept me to work to Hong Kong
Okay,
more
so
than year.
more than a year. So
Yes.
it is okay to you to work in Hong Kong more than 2 years if your
Yeah.
employer wants.
Yes, another year. Okay.
Okay, so,
I'm happy to work to Hong Kong.
okay, so you are happy to work in Hong Kong.
Yes.
So you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food because you have a lot of experience in Taiwan, right?
Yes, experience me cook to Taiwan.
Okay, what
Ah.
kind of dish can you cook?
Steam to my cook your vegetable in fish, pork, and about to all to cook.
Okay, so you know how to
To
steam.
asking my employer.
So you know how. If
Yes.
your employer wants you to ask a dish, so you know how to prepare because you
Yes.
have experience, right? Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job.
Priorities job.
Okay, your priority is your job. So it is
Yes.
okay to you to taking care also of elderly because
Yes.
you have an experience, right?
Yeah.
How about learning their language? If
Yes, I know. Accept to my language is learn.
Okay, so it's okay to you to learn their language.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Okay, my employer, I'm to your heart because me, loyalty to my person and honesty to my person.
Okay. Can you promise also to take good care of their children as your own?
Yes, I promise you, I'm care to all my children.
Okay, and can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations of their
Yes.
house?
I'm asking to my employer, I'm go ahead.
Okay. Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Miss Anita.
Thank you very much to all my employer.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.